Welcome back, dear Vicha Hair Skin Treatment family. It's indeed my pleasure to see you again today. Well, as you already know, Maya was supposed to get married, right? She got married to the love of her life. Got blessed with a beautiful baby boy. That's something to be happy about, but something happened afterwards. Follow us if you're yet to do that. Now, let's find out what happened to Maya.
Why should this happen to me? My glory is gone. My beautiful hair is no more.
That's really sad, you know. I feel for poor Maya. This affected Maya's family so much that even her husband felt the impact.
Darling,
Leave me alone, Paul. Get out.
what can I do to make my wife happy again? How do I get a solution for her thinning hair? Her craziness is becoming unbearable every day. She will not even attend to the baby. Lord have mercy.
Well, that is how distressing the situation got for this couple. What will Paul do now? What do you think happened next? Find out in the next episode. Ensure you follow, like and share so as not to miss out on the next episode. Bye.